Kasol, a small hamlet in the Kullu district of Himachal Pradesh, which is located in Parvati Valley on the banks of Parvati River. It is a Himalayan hotspot for backpackers and act as a base for treks such as Malana and Khirganga. Another reason to visit Kasol is its multicultural. You will find people of different cultures speaking different languages on board. Most of them run cafes and others are local tourist guide. Kasol has a culture that is greatly influenced by Israelis. It is a home to many Israelis who fell in love with this place and never thought of returning. And that is the reason that Kasol is known as Mini Israel of India. So in this video, I'll be taking you on the tour of Kasol and showing you top recommendations to visit when in Kasol. So now let's discuss top recommendations when visiting Kasol. So the first is Manikarnan. You all must have heard about Manikarnan, but do you know what is Hindu belief behind this temple? The legend of Manikarnan states that while roaming around, Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati came across a place which was surrounded by mountains and lush green. They fell in love with this place and they thought of staying here for some time. It is actually said that they spent 1100 years here. During their stay, Goddess Parvati lost her money in the water of stream. She asked Lord Shiva to retrieve it. Lord Shiva commanded his attendants to find money for Parvati, but when they failed, he was extremely angry and he opened his third eye, which is an inauspicious event that caused disturbance in the universe. An appeal was made to serpent god Sheshnag to pacify Lord Shiva. Sheshnag hissed, thereby giving rise to the flow of boiling water. Water spread all over the area, giving rise to precious stones similar to what Goddess Parvati had lost. Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati were happy at the outcome, and this is where the name Manikarnan is derived from. Water is extremely hot and is still considered to be auspicious. About what to do around Manikarnan. So first of all, take healing dip in natural jacuzzi of Parvati River, which is said to contain uranium, sulfur and other radioactive elements which can actually cure diseases. Pilgrims also have an opinion that food boiled in hot water of Vishnu Kund can actually take to Vishnu Lok. Whether this place is miraculous or not, but spending time here is really peaceful and soothing and definitely best thing to do in Manikarnan. After spending time in Manikarnan, we went to explore local market of Kasol. You can buy Himachali caps, shawls and dream catchers. Don't forget to try local cuisine of Kasol. At every nook and corner you will find German bakeries. Along with German bakeries, you can also try Italian and of course Israeli food. Kasol Flea Market offers a wide range of handicraft and hand-painted items. I didn't have that much time with me, so I couldn't explore it, but if you have some spare time, do check it out. Kasol, we went to Choj Bridge. So Choj Bridge basically connects Kasol to Choj village. Choj is a very small yet beautiful village in the neighborhood of Kasol, and out of many, the most superior advantage of this village is no vehicle population. The reason being you have to cross Parvati River to reach this village. No, you don't have to swim. There is a small hanging bridge on which you can walk and reach Choj village. Time to actually go till Choj village. So what you can do is you can just spend some time near Choj bridge, click some amazing pictures, spend some time at Parvati river, enjoy hot water spring and soak yourself in the beauty around you. We also didn't have that much time to go till Choj village. So what we did, we crossed Choj bridge and we walked on the same road that takes you to Choj village. So actually we walked almost halfway, and this route is so scenic that on your left hand side will be mighty Parvati river flowing, and you'll be surrounded by mountains and lush green. So anywhere you stop, it is such a picturesome location. Watching this video, and I hope these top recommendations will definitely help you on your next trip to Kasol.